USB SATA cable out of the box. Just got it. Access and power lights is on before I plugged it in. One of the working drive I have. I tried with several different drives, but still the same problem. Now it is plugged in. No vibration felt. Assuming no power. And we look at back here. Refresh. Nothing is going on. I also tried this with my desktop tower, but it's still the same problem. So I even tried this with full battery. This is just for the showing of this. No vibration felt whatsoever. So I'm assuming it does not provide power, but the light is on